So yun na nga, tayo lang hinihintay. Pabalik na tayo sa bus and still snowing. Where are they? God. Sana yung bus? Nawawala. Hey man, hello everybody, this is Hemant, your everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's so cold, time check, it's 8 in the morning here in Belgium. So kagabi, ang lakas ng snow, ang lakas ng hangin. Tapos, ito na yung naging aftermath ng kagabi. Hey, we have to make it fast kasi tinatawag na tayo ng bus. Oh my god, it's snowing! Ang lakas ng snow. Woo! Guys, everything is perfect. Oh my god. We didn't anticipate this kind of weather, which is so heavy snow. Oh my god, I love it. Everything is perfect on white. Alam mo yung sumasalubong sa mukha mo yung snow, guys. As in talaga, oh my god. Hey, hey, hey! How's the experience having the snow, guys?
Cold. It's very
so
cold,
cold,
but
right?
beautiful, but beautiful.
Yeah.
Summer to yes.
Hey, friends! How was it?
We're eating ramen.
Yeah. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I'm having a snow on my hand. It's here. Guys, I'm having my moment. Oh, I can't believe it, guys. Oh, you see this? Yeah. So wala pa tayo sa Paris, pero talagang oh my god, ang lakas ng snow. It's -1 and the weather is starting to give us more vibes. Whew. It feels like yeah, go ahead. Guys, can't believe it. I'm walking sa snow. Love it. It's snowing, guys, but you know, tuloy pa rin tayo. Welcome to Paris. Welcome to France. Lahat aligaga, hindi na makapag-focus. Ang lamig. Oh my god. Sis, we're gonna go back to the bus. We will be having our boat cruising. So despite of the bad weather, we will pursue our boat cruising, and I hope it's gonna, you know, give us a lot of memories. Yeah, one at a time. Don't play the machine. Yeah, it's my turn. Guys, dahan-dahan kasi madulas. Yan, yung glam team. Friend ako naman, please.
Hindi mo, magigitera ko lang.
Ito na nga, guys. We're under the bridge. Ang lamig.
Huwag ka kasakitan nito eh.
Yan na naman.
Okay lang. Ang last day naman natin to eh.
So this is Paris?
This is Paris. Paris.
Pares sa Sabaw.
Maraming garlic, Paris! Let it go! Let it go!
Let it go!
Let it go lang talaga.
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh! 2, 3, go, 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 go! Yan, pose, pose! Yan, goal, ang ganda! Back, perfect! Woo! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Baka naman eh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, yeah. Happy birthday to you. Guys, that's the Eiffel Tower. Behind us is the Eiffel Tower, guys, with the snow. Oh my God. Ay, wag. Woo! Ang ganda na baka pero yung payong mo.
Ganda.
Woo! Guys, ayan na yung Eiffel Tower, oh. Woo! Woo, guys!
O tara na. Uy, pala tayo picture sa Eiffel.
Woo! Ang lalaki ng service nila, eh. So kararating lang natin ng hotel and we are in France now. Everything is white. This is the city of white. Yung pool nila talagang occupied na ng snow. Dati sa movies mo lang napapanood to, guys. Ito yung amenities nila. Yung pool talaga naging yellow. Naging ice talaga siya, guys. So, ang lakas ng snow. Let's go back inside. Sobrang lamig, tsaka basa na yung sapatos ko. Guys, this is the reception. This is the lobby.
A few moments later.
Kararating lang natin. Galing ng Eiffel Tower, which is gabi na dito. I'm just gonna give you a quick tour of my room. So as you go enter, guys, on my left side is the toilet. This one is my vanity mirror with the sink. Tapos they have some complimentary toiletries. Kapag may ganito, guys, pag may nagpa-provide ng dalawang baso, ibig sabihin yan, drinkable or it is safe to drink the water. Then ito, pagpasok mo, ito na yung queen size bed natin. Still good for 2 persons. Malit lang siya, guys, pero mag-isa lang naman tayo, kaya kaya-kaya.
The next day.
So, good morning everyone. It's 7:39 in the morning here in Paris and ang dami pa ring snow. It's still snowing outside. That's the outside of our hotel. Ang tanging hindi lang na-cover ng snow ay yung mga dinadaanan ng bus, mga sasakyan, ayun na. So, magiging view pag walang salamin. So, baba na tayo kasi baka tayo lang hinihintay. Papunta tayo ng Lafayette Hotel, Lafayette Shopping Mall. Okay.
Let's go!
Let's go! mas lalong lumalakas yung snow.
Kasi snow talaga siya yung
Mother.
umaga. Para may Eiffel Tower.
Yeah. Oh my God! Say hi to the Lady of Paris. This is the Eiffel Tower, guys. That's the Eiffel Tower, guys. Oh my God. Ganda lang. So, pwede kami mag-cruise dito. Ayan na. So, this time, we are gonna try the metro. The train. So, the station is just 150 meters away in the Eiffel Tower. Okay, so we will be using the train pass, the train pass. Ano yung gagawin? Ano, dito tayo? Ano? Dito. Yeah. Yeah, man. I love your outfit. Hindi namin mahanap yung platform na papuntang Disneyland. So, eto na. Akyat ulit kami. Bumalik kami sa platform kung saan kami bumaba. So, kailangan bumili ng ticket kasi wala pa kaming ticket for Disneyland here in Paris. So, we're just gonna try if there's a walk-in way. Guys, welcome to Disneyland here in Paris. So, ang dami pumupunta dito just to experience the rides. Just to feel the Disneyland vibes. Guys, welcome to Disneyland. Friend, nag-blend ka. Ayun yung mga kasama mo. They also have... Sa Norway, pababa yung kasama mo. Isa-isa muna tayo. Disney Park. Guys, kakabili lang natin ng ticket and what's good thing is, you know, God is good all the time. We have ticket already. Nag-book tayo through online kasi mas mahal pala pag walk-in siya. Times 2 daw yung price. And all you have to do is just, you know, go to their website. Then, you have to fill out the form through pay at the online. Tapos, ipaprovide mo lang yung email address mo. Then, automatically, they will give you the barcode of your ticket. Ito lang yung papakita mo dun sa entrance. So, you have to scan your ticket with the use of our barcode, guys. Come on. Ayan, nag-start na yung parade ng ano to, ng Disney characters.
Bonjour à tous! Bienvenue en cette saison de Noël!
Ay.
Look at all the decorations! Mommy, the origin!
Ano yung waffle?
That's the Princess Castle.
Crowded ang tao, no?
Oo, madami na yung tao ngayon. Ang daming gwapo, guys. Dapat may map tayo na sinusundan di ba?
Wala yung basta binibigay na pa. Nasa app siya.
Nasa app?
App online.
Try natin yung mini theater ng Disney characters. Pila tayo, ayun. Parang against the light tayo. So this time guys, manunod tayo.
Hello.
Hi.
How wonderful to see you all! How wonderful to see you all! Nikki, we were about to sing the second number. How wonderful to see you all!
Dami nakapila sa carousel guys. Hindi artificial yan?
Hindi.
Hello guys! Ito na yung finale ng vlog natin which is the Eiffel Tower at night. Woo! Can't believe it guys! Behind me is the Eiffel Tower. So we just have to wait na mag-spark. Worth it yung pinaghirapan natin. Yung 20 days and 14 countries, 35 people or 35 persons, and
24 hours later.
so we are now in Trocadero, which is famous here in Paris. The station is over there. Kung pupunta ka ng Eiffel Tower just to see the clear view of Eiffel Tower, Trocadero station is over there beside the building guys. So let's go. Bye for now, Eiffel Tower. I'm certainly gonna miss this place, and probably I'm gonna go back here again because it's gonna be so good being here. It's perfect. It's a perfect weather for a perfect finale because tonight we are planning to leave the country, which is our flight is it's gonna be 9:30 in the evening, and it's a good thing to share this one. And here we go. That's it. In here guys, nandito yung painting na Mona Lisa, nakatago dito tapos ang haba ng pila kung papasok ka, parang you have to at least fall in line for 8 hours or 4 hours, something like that, 4 to 8 hours. Kasi pinupuntahan talaga siya ng maraming tao, maraming turista. Pag nakapasok ka, worth it naman. It feels like it's gonna rain. Guys, the glass pyramid. It's so big. And kung mapapansin natin guys, yan ang dami nakapila sa baba. Yan yung loob ng Louvre. But you have to, kailangan mong pumila hanggang doon, ang haba ng pila. Doon ka pipila sa pinaka-part doon, ang haba ng pila doon guys, bago ka makapasok dito. Pag nakapasok ka dyan, makikita mo yung Mona Lisa na painting. Problema, walang toilet sa loob. Kailangan natin lumabas. Let's go. Where's the exit? Exit part.